Facing issues attaching files to your Outlook emails. Let's quickly guide you on how to attach files directly into your Outlook email body, especially if part of Infosys. Okay, let's start by opening a new email in Outlook. As you know, the blank canvas will pop up ready for your message. We want to focus on adding attachments quick and easily. The simplest way is through drag and drop. Search the files you want to attach in your email. These files can reside on your desktop, in your documents, or any other folder on your computer. The attachments could be documents like PDFs, docs, and Excel files, or even images or videos. Now, click and hold the file, then drag it directly into the body of your email composition window. At it go, you'll see the files as icons or previews, depending on your Outlook settings. Great, the files are attached and ready to send. Compose your message, add a recipient, and hit send. You can also find the attach file button, usually a paperclip icon, in the ribbon above. Clicking it opens a file explorer window, allowing you to browse your files. To it, select all desired files, and click OK or Open. And that's it. Both drag and drop and the attach button are easy options. Attaching is usually very simple with Outlook. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Outlook tips. #Outlook tips, #email attachments.